Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to group emails in Outlook by subject. This is a super useful feature when you need to organize conversations or find related messages quickly. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, your emails will begin loading into your inbox. Just give it a moment to fully load all your messages so you can see everything clearly. Now that your emails have loaded, let's group them by subject. Navigate to your inbox pane where all your emails and email folders are located. This is typically on the left side of your screen where you can see your main inbox and any subfolders you've created. Take a look at the top of your email list in the main inbox view. You'll notice a sort drop-down menu there. This is the key to organizing your emails in different ways. Go ahead and click on that sort drop-down to reveal all the available sorting options. When the menu opens, you'll see several ways to organize your emails. Look for the section labeled Arrange By. This section contains different criteria you can use to sort and group your messages. Within the Arrange By section, look for the option that says Subject. Click on Subject to select it as your sorting method. And just like that, you'll immediately notice that your emails have been reorganized and grouped by their email subject. All emails with the same or similar subject lines will now be clustered together, making it much easier to follow conversation threads or locate specific topics. This grouping helps you see at a glance which subjects have multiple messages, allowing you to prioritize and manage your inbox more efficiently. So there you have it. You've successfully grouped your Outlook emails by subject, making your inbox more organized and easier to navigate. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.